At IQM, we like to say that we are standing on the shoulders of giants.
It's an idea that we can achieve more together than we can alone.
With IQM, we're collaborating with the top quantum experts in the field and helping them scale up for the next phase of the quantum computing expansion.
Engineering hardware and software is at the core of our being. Our story spans the poles from mechanical engineering all the way to providing software solutions and control systems for space satellite missions.
And now we're helping IQM scale quantum computing building processes. We think it's a perfect fit.
We are on an ambitious mission to change the world for the better through quantum computing. When creating something so unique, there are no shortcuts, no ready-made blueprints, or even standards. There are no previous paths to walk on. So many things must be designed, tested, and manufactured from scratch. Together with HULD, we have created a scaling program on how to speed up manufacturing without the need of our scientists' valuable time. This speeds up the design and development and really helps us to focus on our core. It's a natural fit.
We think that clear and well-made documentation helps simplify the installation process during the product commissioning. By providing our customers with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions, we can help their technicians streamline their product's different installation processes. And this will make the product installation ultimately faster and, more importantly, safer.
We help our clients by delivering tangible outcomes in the physical and digital worlds. Where would you want to be tomorrow? Let's talk.